Hi, Chad Crouch with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, and today I'm going to introduce you to the world of the Ducari Yachts. Today we're on a 37 Ducari, the brand new, just introduced, power catamaran center console. This particular boat has the intercoastal blue hull, twin step, gives you great stability, ride, and performance. MarineMax, in collaboration with the world's largest outboard powerboat manufacturer, has come up with what I think is the most luxurious dayboat yacht that's ever been produced. So I'm going to bring you aboard, give you a quick walkthrough, and show you why your boat needs to be a new Ducari yacht. Once you step aboard the 37 Ducari, you'll immediately see how expansive this boat is and the amount of volume that you'll see in a 37-foot boat. As we're standing out here on the stern, it gives you plenty of space to enter or exit the boat either from starboard or port side. It gives you an extreme amount of space when you're entering and exiting the water from the ladder, which is very, very easy to deploy. You'll also see our power plants. We're using the V12 twin 600 Mercuries. Gives it plenty of power, very efficient, and the performance is phenomenal. With these, coupled with the twin 255-gallon saddle tanks, will get you a range roughly 430 miles based on 45 miles an hour. So it gives you great range whether you're running to the Keys, whether you're running to Abacos, or whether you're just running up and down the intercoastal. As I walk around, you'll notice you have a forward-facing aft seat that will reverse and give you aft-facing as well. So you can sit out, watch the kids fishing at the sandbar, or just cruising up and down the intercoastal. As we walk around, you'll see the expansive amount of the cockpit. You'll see a lot of the luxury touches, the different materials. They've done a phenomenal job in taking this particular boat to the next level. When entertaining in the cockpit area, you will find you've got obviously the forward-facing aft bench. With a little bit of work, you've got a pull-out aft-facing seat. So you've got plenty of space for cruising up and down the intercoastal. You have a table that you can sit. You can have food, drinks, and just hang out with the family. And you also have the opportunity in the cockpit with a live well, 31 gallons, as well as rod holders. So we can fold the seat back up. This will give us a wonderful countertop space, solid surface Corian countertops with the standard grill, electric. You've got lots of drawers for your utensils. And as we progress over to the starboard side, you'll find your hot and cold sink, as well as a pull-out refrigerator with a small freezer. So the fishing families that purchase the Ducari 37 have the opportunity to have a 31-gallon live well, which is a standard feature in the Ducari, as well as 4 rod holders, 2 on either side. And you do have the option of the Gemlux carbon fiber outriggers. So you can set this up for a wonderful day on the water fishing as well as a day at the sandbar. As we look down in the cockpit, you'll see 2 large hatches. As you'll see, you can actually step down. You get access to some batteries, storage, as well as your hot water heater on the port side. They also have a nice rubber D-ring to keep the water out. And you have a matching one on the port side as well. And then I'm standing on one of the great features is the deployable terrace. So the kids can hang out, you can jump off of it, you can pull a jet ski up, you can do anything you want to. It's just a phenomenal feature of the Ducari 37. When we take a look above us, you're gonna see an oversized carbon fiber hardtop for the 37 Ducari. This gives you great sunshade for all day long at the sandbar or cruising. It also will help with any rains or any foul weather that you may run into. One of the neat features with this hardtop is the aft sure shade. So with the sure shade deployed, you're gonna get a lot of sunshade, so not to worry if you're out on a hot August afternoon. So it's great when you're sitting like we are now, or whether you're running to the Bahamas. As we progress through the port side of the boat, out of the cockpit, you'll find we have a nice, wide boarding door to make it really easy in and out of the boat. So the actual stateroom is on the port side, and we're gonna take you there now. When you walk down into the cabin, you're gonna immediately realize the upholstery, the features, the luxurious feel of this cabin. When you come in, you'll notice you've got an expansive berth to the starboard side, as well as controls up on the port side. The nice feature that they've incorporated is putting a wireless charger next to the berth, as well as a USB and a 120 plug. So you'll be set for any type of electronics in the cabin. And you'll notice immediately as I'm walking into the head, the amount of headroom that you have in this cabin and head. You're looking at roughly 6'5". So great space, great use of space in this boat. Now we're at the helm, which I feel is the heartbeat of the boat. You've got luxurious feel, wonderful textures, wonderful colors, and a phenomenal helm layout. Your visibility is second to none. All of our displays are 22-inch Simrads, which are the newest Simrads on the market today. As you can see, a step lower, you'll see a nice carbon fiber layout, very sleek, very contemporary. With that, you just pop up the lids, gives you access to storage, cup holders, and then over to our starboard side, it'll give you joystick piloting, so you have your joystick. Another great feature at the helm is having air conditioning from both above at the hardtop level that blows down, but also the seats, all three of them across, both companion seats and the captain's chair, has air conditioning in them. So what a great option if you're boating down here in South Florida in the middle of the summer. As we go up the starboard side of the boat, you'll find line storage, also a nice little cubby hole, and a waste basket. There's two of them, one starboard and one port. As we go forward, I want to bring you into the electronics room. Inside this room will give you full access to your lithium batteries, your chargers, your audio systems, as well as several different breakers. So it gives you great accessibility to anything as far as electronics that may need to be adjusted. As we continue forward, we're going to come to one of the options that I think is top on this boat. It's the walk-in garage. As you can see, I'm standing up. This is a massive cavern for storage. You're going to have access to your breaker switches, as well as your air conditioning, battery switches. You've got your engine keys as well, but great storage for tables. Then you also have a 120 outlet and you can actually put 2 sea bobs here as well. You also have 4 rod holders. So great abundance of space and great use of space. As we walk forward to the garage area, you're going to find the 3rd entertaining area on this boat. And to me, one of the greatest places to be. The expansive amount of space in the bow and the amount of seating is phenomenal. You've got a great area for lounging, sitting. You've got a movable cup holder and armrest. Underneath both benches, you've got insulated coolers. And again, D-rings, keep out the water. You've got USB plugs up forward, as well as storage for fenders, lines if you want, but you also have more storage forward, as we'll see. So as we go up, you've got 3 compartments on the bow. You've got your windlass with a remote control over to the starboard side. You also can keep your aft anchor forward, or if it's a second anchor that you need off the bow. And also can use both of them for storage for fenders and lines and extra water toys. So what a great use of space in the bow, massive amounts of space. Also, behind you, you have a wet bar area, Corian countertops, as well as another insulated cooler. Nice touch with the Trident Ducari emblem. If you're looking for that luxurious day yacht, I think you've got to put the new Ducari 37 on the top of that list. So we would certainly like the opportunity to take you through a personalized tour and also get you on a sea trial as soon as possible. So if you'll reach out to one of your local MarineMax dealerships, or feel free to reach out to Chad Crouch here in Pompano Beach, and we'll be more than happy to get you on the water and let you try the new 37 Ducari.